The Ascaso Dream UP V3 comes in 11 different colors, including the one we are demonstrating today, the cloud white color. There are simple to use controls such as 3 on and off switches and 1 steam knob. Espresso extraction shot should last from 18 to 40 seconds, depending on what type of coffee you are using and your own personal taste. This machine uses both pressurized and non-pressurized baskets. For our extraction, we used non-pressurized, which should be used for pre-ground coffee, and it has to be fine and a consistent grind. When turning on the steam mode, make sure you drain a little water from the steam wand. It is normal for steam to come out of the group head once the steam is ready, and for the pump to pulsate during steam mode. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media, which is right below.